Hey guys, so I've been working on a new pouring technique. At least it's new to me. I haven't seen it before. I'm calling it the Bi Directional pour. I wanted to share it with you because I am getting awesome results. So I'm going to do a painting. You can watch, give it a try, and get back with me. Okay everybody, so I got my gloves on and I am ready to get started. I have some really nice bright colors, and the first one I'm starting with is yellow medium. That is from Liquitex. And the next nice bright color is from Soho, and it is cadmium light red hue. These are kind of like fall colors, I guess. The next one is from Soho, and it's called Alizarin Crimson. And all of my colors are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And now I'm just gonna put one more layer of each color. Make sure I have enough to cover the canvas. And while you guys are enjoying these beautiful colors, why don't you go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. All right. Okay guys, so I've been doing a little experimenting today, so I'm just going to take a quick break here and show you the dried result. I think this turned out beautiful. The colors are so nice and vibrant. They just dried amazing. I'm super happy with my results of my bi-directional pour. This area right up here just looks so pretty. It looks like it's smoky, and then there looks like there's flames. So I'm really happy with the results I'm getting from my Bi Directional pour. All right, so let me know what you guys think in the comments, and don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my links in my description, and have a great day.